Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tristan, one of Adrian's curriculum users. Now, when I first saw it, I was like, man, but I kind of know enough about cell phones. I don't really need this, and I was wrong. If you do know a lot about cell phones and you're very knowledgeable, this course is for you. If you don't know anything about cell phones, this course is still for you, even more so. Adrian, big shout out to 911 Gadgets. He's very helpful. He's answered my phone calls. I mean, he's gonna do the same for you. How to deal with customers, how to stock inventory, what tools to have. Hard client, how do I deal with them? What do I tell them? He got you. He got you on every aspect, troubleshooting, everything. I love pulling from his brain. I love picking his brain. He's an amazing dude, very selfless, very humble, very inspiring. So go check out his curriculum. It's 5-day curriculum, 911 Gadgets, and I just feel indebted to him. Honestly, I feel indebted to him. He hasn't had to help me as much as he has, and I appreciate him for that. And he'll appreciate you too, guys. Go ahead and get that curriculum locked in. Thank you.